Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to upgrade the RAM inside an MSI GE72 laptop. And so let's start with removing all the screws on the back of the laptop. You just need a Phillips screwdriver and remove all these screws. So that's how the motherboard looks like, and that's where you see the RAM slots. There are two slots for the RAM sticks. Currently I have 16 gigs of RAM in here. I'm gonna replace that with 32 gig RAM. So let me open this package. There you go. There are two sticks in there. Each one is 16 gigs, and it's a dual channel memory kit, which is allegedly supposed to be faster than a single channel. So let me remove these one at a time. And this is how these old RAM sticks look like. This one stick is 8 gigs, and you can see it's 8 GB on it. That's the back of it. And I'm going to replace these with these 32 gig RAM sticks from G.Skill. All right, let me plug this in the motherboard. It's real easy. You just match the notch with the notch in that slot, and done. All right, let me put the back panel back again. All right, so this laptop only supports a max of 32 gig RAM, and there are only two slots. So you can have 16 gigs of RAM in each of the slots. And it's better to buy a dual channel kit. You can see a link to the place where I bought the 32 gigs RAM below in the description below the video. I hope it's easy for you to find. It's a 260 pin RAM. That's what you need to look for. And also the voltage required for the RAM is 1.2 volts because this is DDR4. Remember, DDR4 RAM takes less input power, which is good, and also it's faster, so faster than DDR3 RAM. So I hope this video is useful, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and hope you are able to upgrade the RAM in your laptop successfully. Thank you.